What's up everyone, Dr. Dan over here at Beat Fitness. Wanted to talk a little bit about what is the cracking sound that you hear when you get adjusted, right? So if you go to a chiropractor and they try to adjust your back and you hear all those little pops, or even if you try to kind of crack your knuckle, you hear that little audible pop. What is that? Well, that's called a cavitation. And a cavitation basically means it's a little air bubble that forms deep within these little joints in between your spine. And when a joint is moved very quickly, a little air bubble forms and it goes pop, right? And that's the audible sound that you hear when you get adjusted. What that does now is that it instantly helps to improve your range of motion. So it helps you move better instantly. That's what the audible pop is. It's called a cavitation. It's just a little air bubble that's formed from a quick depressurization or a pressure change within the joint, and it instantly helps to improve range of motion.